There's always challenges on headlamps. I think almost every vehicle that I've been a part of, headlamps are always a challenge area because you're balancing so many things.
This vehicle is loaded in a condition as if a driver is driving it. And from here on, we'll aim the lamps and then measure the output.
Yeah, and in order to aim the lamps, we have which is called optical axis mark. The center of the main beam, so we're going to be placing the laser in this position. And then with the laser in this position, we're going to be able to translate this position into the screen. And then after, we can tell the software to check what's the current aim of the low beam light.
We are evaluating performance in the true driver condition, how the end customer will be using this vehicle and how will they experience the performance of the vehicle.
There's really high expectations for headlamps from the customers today because so many vehicles have really upped the game. For the next generation Camry, the hammerhead styling theme was really important. What it does is it pushes the lamps way out to the corners, and you'll see that there's actually very little space left for the actual lamps. Of course, you have to have the light output because the light output has got to be beautiful and uniform. So it was really challenging to both meet styling's intention of this kind of great hammerhead shape and to get the light output.
Uniformity is much worse from that.
So you can actually see on the uniformity and the cutoff lines.
Yeah, for the design to achieve the performance. We design and set targets, which are part of tonight's drive as well. And this area, so we want to reduce the light for the oncoming vehicle lane so they don't get glare, but have a good reach for the driving lane. We see a long reach. If there are any issues identified, we highlight those issues and further refine the design so that we can close those gaps and give the performance that customer expect from Toyota.
Let's take a ride into the night, master the day.
So when we're driving the vehicle at night, we're looking for uniformity. Is this a nice, even light? Or do you see like hot spots, like, oh, it's kind of bright here and it's dim here, it's bright there?
This specific evaluation is focused on customer experience. So subjective evaluation, this pattern is good from intensity and reach point of view. There are certain areas of uniformity. You can see the dark spot transitioning from left to right. That is a concern that we are working on and will be addressed.
And the engineers did such a good job of making sure that uniform appearance was there. We almost had to give up with that hammerhead theme because we're out of time. We don't have time to continue to develop this DRL. And I said, you've got 2 weeks and that's it. And I'm so glad that they gave it that one last shot because it looks incredible. When it's unlit, it looks really good. And then when it's lit, it has this cool signature DRL appearance, this beautiful uniform, bright white light that kind of makes this kind of C shape. Honestly, it always boggles my mind how the engineers do it. It's really amazing. If you look at a plot of the plan view of where that light is going, it's really incredible that how they're able to precisely put this light exactly where it needs to be.